Well, hello, William. Williams, Philippines. Uh, it is Sunday night, about 8:50 p.m. Sunday, August 3rd, 2025. A long day. I woke up at 4 a.m. after having been out to Carbon Market. Yeah. Was out the door at 5:15 and over at the public market by about 5:40. Yeah, and then ended up around the corner to a church. Ain't done that in a couple of decades. It's kind of nice. Didn't really understand the guy much, but uh, I understood enough. It's they do kind of a what do you call it? Mix between English and either Visayan or Tagalog, Taglish. I'm not sure. Anyway, caught some of it, and what I could tell of it, I liked. It's been a long time since I went to a church, but yay, had a busy one there. Went over and tried a couple of jeepneys, buses, whatever you want to call them, and figured out I got a different route, but I got to get off a little further up the block. But it's just, yeah, just a little up the block, like 2 blocks up the block. So a different route to get home on a bus. This one goes over and goes to the first bridge and goes over into Mactan, Newtown town area. But it crosses my road just right up there. So, yeah. Bonus. And got a bunch of walking in today. Did I mention I got a haircut yesterday? Yeah. And shaved. Part of me thinks I'm going to take that thing off. I don't know. Decisions. Probably wouldn't last long. I'm kind of used to having it. And anytime I don't have it, I feel, kind of naked. But I don't know. We shall see. Anyway, I got that done. I come back. Took a second shower already for the day. Took a nap. Got up and went out and hit the park mall. I couldn't tell the buses after 6 o'clock when it's dark and they got their headlights on. I cannot see the names on the buses. So I can't, unless they actually pull over and try to get me to jump on the bus, I can't see what it is and where it's going. So I just gave up and went ahead and took the Maxim motorcycle and rode that over and back. That's okay. I hauled off and had, I spent right at $40. Hair over. 40 and a quarter. But got Q-tips, coasters, 6 pair of socks, 2 tubes of toothpaste, Colgate, and Listerine. I think there was something else in there, but that ran up to about 24 hair over. And then the rest of the $40 I spent went for groceries. 16 into groceries. I got 2 pork chops, a pound of what we would have as our 70-30 or 80-20. I'm not sure exactly what the content on it is, but it's the low end on hamburger, and what else was there? Oh, and a chicken breast. I got about 3 days worth of food for eating, maybe a little more. Depends on how hungry I am. Uh, so I did buy the fixings for hamburgers, tomatoes, lettuce, hamburger buns, and what else was there? Cheese. So cheeseburgers. Gonna try to do those probably tomorrow or the day after. I haven't figured out yet. And being that I'm cooking for just me, yeah, how much am I gonna cook? I don't know. But the buns come in 6 packs for the ham. At least that pack did. I saw one that had 4. Probably should have got it, but I already had this one in my basket. And yeah, I'm kind of happy with what all I got. I'm pleased. Now here you go. This is fresh squeezed, hand squeezed lemonade. This was 95 pesos, under $2. 2 whole lemons in there. She squeezed it through a strainer thing, added water, a little bit of sugar syrup, and shook it up right there in front of me and poured it into that bottle and handed it to me. 95 pesos. Talk about fresh. And with 2 whole lemons in there, let me tell you, it got a wee bit of lemon kick. Kind of like it. Actually, really like it. I'm not bashful about them. I actually like lemonade. That could be my downfall. But yeah, that's strong enough that you could dilute it if you wanted to, and still, I've got used to drinking it straight though. So, yay. Anyway, I probably should have tried to film a little today. The phone the iPhone that I have was charged up and ready to go. I just didn't carry it out the door with me. I wasn't planning on stopping at the church, and I did plan on riding around, so I probably should have carried it with me. But they've got these new privacy laws, so I don't know what is acceptable or isn't acceptable. I'm going to have to talk to somebody about that. As long as you can't identify them, you're okay. So, I don't know. I'm working on it. But yeah, I had a very interesting day, got home, and I'm about to finish off the stir fry I did last night. The lumpia I brought home, yeah, I forgot it in the microwave. I turned that into a crispy critter. I wish I hadn't, because it was real good lumpia. And I do mean good lumpia. Oh well. I'll know better than to let it sit in the microwave too long. This one doesn't have just program buttons. It's got a spin dial on it. Yeah, I know it's a bit outdated. But it is what it is. And it came with the room, so yeah. Although I am half tempted to try to get my own. It's a little more modern. I'll probably wait until I get to a different place. When I try to move to another island. Try to find some place that's I can do like I did here. Move in, unpack, and settle in and be there for a couple months. And then go again to the next one. Working on it. Anyway, today's been a long one. I am tired. I need to eat. It's 9 p.m. Yeah. Sounds like a good time to get dinner and go to sleep. Tomorrow I'm going to try to talk to some people about the radios, and also see about getting set up with and finding the, what do you call them, the immigration people for extending my visa. That's plans for this week. So, yay. I know, not a lot of plans. I'm not really trying to, I understand being responsible adult, but every day, every single day, that's a bit excessive. Yeah. I like the idea of, not having too much in the way of plans, and my plans are just what do I want to do and wake up to, what needs to be done in the way of, need to get to the immigration people. I need to talk to the radio people. I need twos. That seems like a lot of stuff to do this week. Oh, and keep the three-ring circusing, because, well, you need to do things. Yeah. Some strange reason, you gotta still carry your laundry to the washing machine. Even if somebody throws it in for you, you still have to carry the stuff to the washing machine. Just saying. Anyway, coasters. I don't know if they really absorb anything or just kind of hold it in place. We shall see. This is William. Do you. You know how to do it. Figure it out. Enjoy it. Do what you do with you. I'm trying to enjoy doing what I do with me. And I'm having fun with it. Live your life. Live now. Because, hey, we don't get a second shot at it, and time runs out real quick. That's why I'm doing what I'm doing. I'm trying to live and enjoy life as best I can. Anyway. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family. It's important. And more food. Because, well, a lot more food. Because, hey, life doesn't go on if you're not eating. It might for a while, but eventually you stop. Anyway, later blessings, bye-bye. I'm Fish, and guess what? Fish is out.